How to log in into Netflix account. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can log in into Netflix account. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, open up your preferred browser or simply the Netflix application if you have it. And from the browser you have to type in netflix.com. That's gonna take you to their official website. Here head towards the top right corner and click on sign in button. That'll take you to sign in page. So in this prompt, you have to enter your login credential. First of all, enter your email or mobile number associated with your Netflix account. And under that, enter your correct password. In case if you forgot your password, there is a link right here that says forget password. Click on it, follow the on-screen instructions, and that's going to help you recover your account. Once you're done entering your login credentials, simply click on sign in button. And if you have set up the two-step verification, you have to verify your account, and after that you'll be logged into your Netflix account. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.